Hello YouTube, I'm here from Blue Noodle Studios, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take screenshots on Mac. So if you've never taken a screenshot before, or you have and you know a bit about them, hopefully I can give you some useful tricks in this video that will help you out. So first of all, there are two main ways to take screenshots. The first one is by using keyboard shortcuts, and the second one is using the application called Grab. And both of these come loaded on your computer, so you don't need to set anything up. So you see I've got this text document here with what I'm going to be going through. So first of all, if you just want to take a screenshot of your Mac's entire screen, all you need to do is go to your keyboard, and I'm just going to do this here, and press Command, Shift and the number 3. And then hopefully you heard that camera noise just then. That's what will play to let you know that the screenshot was taken. And then if you look here, I've got my desktop folder open, and you can see here screenshot at 12:11 PM, and it is 12:11. We can see the time here. So then I can double click and open this up, and you can see it's taken a screenshot of my whole screen and saved it as an image file to my desktop. So that's how you do that. Then if you don't want to have it of your whole screen, you just want to select a specific area, all you can do is instead of Command Shift 3, you press Command Shift 4, and I've just done that now. And now you can see this little cross comes up, and you can move it around the screen, and then you can click and drag out to select an area to take the screenshot of. So maybe I want to take a screenshot of these two windows. I can drag out and then I can let go. So then you hear that same noise, and I can open up this new one, and you can see we've got that selected area with a screenshot taken. And one little handy thing with that select area screenshot is if you're selecting an area and you say, oh hang on, I started it in the wrong spot, or for whatever reason you want to cancel, you can just press escape and it won't take the screenshot, and it'll just cancel that and you'll get out of it. And so when you're taking shortcuts, you also have a bunch of other options which can help you out. So if you want to press Command Shift 4 and select an area, what you can actually do is press space, and then it will allow you to choose a window to take the screenshot of, and it'll select that area for you and take it. So this can be really handy. Maybe I just want to take a screenshot of this window, or just of my dock, or of my desktop, or this window. So I can just click on one, it'll take the screenshot, and then we can see here it's only taken the photo of this window. And then also when you're selecting an area, you can use Shift to only resize one edge of your selection. So let's say I wanted to select this window, and I drag it out this way, and I say, okay, over here I've got it aligned properly. I can press Shift, and now it will only let me drag side to side. It won't let me move up and down even if I try to. So that's another handy thing to lock selections in. You can also press the space bar to lock in the size of your selection, and then it'll just allow you to move it around. So I can select this square here and then press the space bar, and now instead of resizing it, I'll be dragging it around. If I want, I can let it go again, resize it, move it again. So that's also handy. And then the last thing you can do is you can press Option while you're making your selection, and then that'll allow you to resize it from the center. So the center is the anchor point rather than the top left corner. You drag it out from the center outwards. And then another one of the handy things is that you can press Control while you're using any of these shortcuts, and that will allow you to, rather than saving the screenshot to an image file on your desktop, it'll instead save it to your clipboard. So it's like copying and pasting. So if I press Command Control Shift 3, that'll take a screenshot of my whole screen, and it'll copy it to the clipboard. So then I might want to put it into a Word document, or I can put it into here just by right clicking and pressing Paste, and then you'll see that I've now got my screenshot in here. So it's a pretty big file, so it doesn't really fit in this window, but that's how it works, and it's really handy. And then just quickly, the last thing is if you really want to take it further, if you use screenshots often, you can see there are two customizations that you can do with Terminal. So if you don't know what Terminal is, basically it's a console which allows you to edit things with your Mac using code to kind of fiddle with things and customize stuff. So you can see here I've got two things here. This first code, this will allow you to change what type of image it saves your screenshots as. So you can see here it's JPEG. By default, I think it's PNG, so you can change it to a JPEG or a TIFF or whatever. Generally though, it shouldn't really matter what kind of file it's saved as. So the second one is that you can change the location the screenshot is saved to. So let's say you don't want them to be saved to your desktop, you can use this code in Terminal to instead save it to your Pictures folder. And so that's all I wanted to show you in today's video. I hope this helped you guys out. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if it did. Thanks very much for watching again, and I'll see you guys later.